Yeah. So let's start, please.
कविता शुड भी मतलब वो ईयरफोन ले लें या कुछ ले लें, कैसे ही बोले? आवाज आ रही है ठीक से?
कंफर्टेबल लग रही है, अच्छे से आ रही है।
Hi, can you all hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, Ishita.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
ना रोशनी के आपका फेस कम विजिबल है, अगर हो सके तो उस रोशनी को ढक दो।
क्वांटिटी नहीं हारे और
कर्टन है ना।
क्या बोल रहे हो क्या? You are telling me?
या
अच्छा, क्या मतलब डार्क लग रहा है फेस क्या?
फेस कम दिख रहा है, साइड की लाइट ज्यादा है। हाँ अब ठीक है,
अब ठीक है,
बेटर है।
अच्छा।
Requesting everybody to please mute. Can we please start?
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। सप्ताह दर सप्ताह कदम बढ़ाते हुए हम अंतिम पड़ाव पर आ गए हैं। हमने बहुत कुछ नया सीखा भी है। हमारे स्पीकर हर तरह की क्वालिटी चेक को क्लियर करके बेस्ट स्पीकर बन चुके हैं। अब आप इनसे किसी भी स्टाइल में बुलवा सकते हैं। इवैल्यूएटर मैडम आज हमारे वक्ता बिल्कुल नई शैली प्रस्तुत करेंगे। अगर वे इस शैली को पार कर लेते हैं तो इन्हें वक्ता का स्टिकर सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा और ये फिर बाहर की दुनिया में बेहतर प्रस्तुति के लिए तैयार हैं। आशा है आपको हमारे वक्ताओं की गुणवत्ता पसंद आएगी। हम हमारे कंपनी के 5 बहुत बेहतरीन प्रस्तुति आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करेंगे। आपको अगर वो पसंद आए तो हम कमेटी में उन्हें पोजीशन भी दे देंगे। हमारे इस 5 प्रोडक्शन टीम को प्रस्तुत करने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी हमारे अपने टीम को, जिसमें टीम हेड कविता जी, टाइमर भाविका जी और प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी चेकिंग ऑफिसर निधि मोहता जी शामिल हैं। तो पहले मैं कविता जी को बुलाना चाहूंगी।
Thank you, Manisha, for always, giving a innovative introduction week after week. Fabulous. And looking forward to hearing all the 5 business pitches today from all the members who are not into that particular business. So it will be more interesting to get their perspective. All the best to everybody.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to share my product.
Bhavika, please explain your role also.
Hi everybody, good afternoon. और आज तो definitely none of us are going to sleep because the theme and the idea and the presentation must be rocking. So मैं एकदम full on energy में बैठी हूँ और मेरी घड़ी रहेगी मेरे साथ हमेशा. So today we have given them 5 minutes, right, Manisha, Nidhi?
It is 6 minutes plus 30 seconds.
5 to 6.
Yeah,
5
that
to 6 minutes.
5 to 6
And
minutes.
30 seconds is for us.
So today the thing is that because I won't be sharing the screen because you are sharing your presentation, there'll be the audio like this. When you start, just wait for me when I say your time starts now. Like many of you just rush, so you miss your initial thing and I speak in between, so your half sentence is eaten by me only. So rather than doing that, wait for me to give you that start signal. I'll be saying your time starts now, and then just pin my screen. So when your time is running out, I'll be showing you time is running out. Okay, and your time is done. When your time is up, you will be seeing this. I'll try to mute. You'll be muted. Okay.
You will do it for individual speakers or for a team as a whole?
I will try to do all, but let's see how technically it goes.
No,
So, I think it will be for the team, na?
You will do for the entire team. It would be better.
Yeah,
Individually, then
I will
we
do
can-
for the entire team. Yes.
पर सिमी सबसे पहले तो जो बोल रही है उसी को म्यूट करेगी, फिर बाद में सेकंड एंड
Yes,
थर्ड।
yes.
नहीं, I'm not asking for muting. दिया, I'm asking कि जब वो time is running out दिखाएगी तो end में दिखाएगी कि एक एक स्पीकर के लिए दिखाएगी? वो मैं
नहीं,
पूछ रही
मतलब आपकी टीम
आप
शुरू।
आज अलग इंडिविजुअल स्पीकर नहीं हो, आपकी टीम टोटल में 5 से 6 मिनट में प्रेजेंट
Yes,
करेगी,
yes,
तो वो
yes,
टाइमर
yes.
आपकी टीम के लिए है, किसी इंडिविजुअल के लिए नहीं।
Not one. You are not getting an individual 5 minutes. You are getting 5 minutes as a whole. So when you have only 1 minute left in your 6 minute, I will show you. Time is running out. When your 5 minute is done, you have only 1 minute left. So you can just wind it up. You have a time to wind it up. So when your 5 minute is done, you will have this screen और एक हल्का सा आवाज भी आएगा 5 minute is done. Okay, वो ऑडियो भी सुन सकते हो अगर मिस हो गया तो, और ये भी सुन देख सकते हो. Last 1 minute के बाद I will mute you with the grace time of 30 seconds. I will mute you. So immediate person who is speaking that time, that will be first muted, and then rest 2 member I'll mute them. But then that is not so much required because they are not speaking anyways. I hope any doubt with that, because it's very important part.
Yeah, Bhavika, can you tell once? एक बार फिर बोलो ना.
देखो, जब आपको टोटल 5 to 6 मिनट मिली है राइट. सो जैसे 5 मिनट होगा आपको एक सुनाई देगा योर टाइम इज अप, 1 मिनट लेफ्ट ऐसे पता चलेगा, या 5 मिनट इज अप ऐसे पता चलेगा. और मेरा स्क्रीन को पिन करना, मैं आपको ये दिखाऊंगी स्क्रीन में, ये आपको दिखेगा टाइम इज रनिंग आउट. ठीक है, अभी उल्टा था लेकिन तब सीधा दिखाऊंगी, डोंट वरी. और जब 1 मिनट हो जाएगा तब यू आर म्यूटेड एंड द पर्सन हु इज स्पीकिंग विल बी म्यूटेड बाय मी इमीडिएटली. मैं पहले स्क्रीन दिखाऊंगी, फिर म्यूट करूंगी या म्यूट करूंगी और बाद में दिखाऊंगी, वो मेरे ऊपर है तब मैं कैसे करूंगी.
नहीं, माने फर्स्ट पहला 1 मिनट के लास्ट का 5 मिनट के बाद
का
जो
1 मिनट, लास्ट वाला 1 मिनट जब
जैसे
खत्म
हर
हो गया,
जैसे
आपके पास टोटल 6 मिनट है. 5 मिनट में आपको वार्निंग मिलेंगी कि बस अब खत्म करो, छौंक डाल के प्रेजेंटेशन रेडी करो. छौंक का भी टाइम नहीं है, टेबल पे डिश सर्व करो. जब डिश सर्व कर रहे हो और धनिया डालना रह गया, मैं आपका हाथ से धनिया खींच लूंगी.
ओके.
मुझे भाविका ने तुरंत मास्टर शेफ में पहुंचा दिया.
ठीक है रिंकू, जब 5 मिनट हो जाएगा तब वो दिखाएगी. ठीक है, तो तुमको ही देखना है.
नहीं,
हाँ,
your
हाँ,
input.
ठीक है, तो चलो 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 रखो.
Do I need to speak?
If you want to give any input, otherwise they'll start.
All right. Good afternoon, all of you, and welcome to one of the entrepreneurial summit. I must say, all of you are looking amazing, and it's the time where hard work will pay off. So I am looking 3 things. As the moderator said that I'm the product quality manager. So I'm looking for the 3 things: clarity of your business, detailed about your business, and secondly, lastly, the presentation which will make us convinced about your venture. So as the protocol goes, let me share the idiom of the day. If you can use it, well enough. If you cannot, no problem. It is money down the drain. That is money wasted. Of course, we are all Indians at the end, at the heart, and Marwaris, at least me. So money down the drain, it's never been entertained. So it means money wasted. Hosting the big fat Indian wedding is money down the drain. All of these gadgets bought by you is just money down the drain. These are the way you can use this idiom for your benefit. Just imbibe these medium. If you can use it, it will enhance your command language skill. So on that note, back to you, moderator madam. Thank you.
So all the teams ready? Let's start with team 3.
Hello. Yeah. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
I'm not sure if Aarti is joined. Can you please check? Aarti, are you there?
Aarti was there. Daksh Kedia. Yeah, she's there.
Okay.
Nipa, can you hear me?
Why
Excuse me.
you are muted?
Nipa, I want to tell you something. Just pick my call.
All your team members are there. Team 3. So your time, are you ready?
No. Okay. Yes.
So your time starts now. All the best.
Hello friends, we are the Futuristic Care Riders. My name is Aarti Kedia, and along with Jasmine Bhatia, we've started this company with elderly people in mind. We have a lot of elderly people in our apartment who do a lot of to and fro many a times to keep themselves occupied, like walking to the grocery stores and taking kids to the play area, which tires them unnecessarily. So to reduce their struggle for walking and give them a relief, we came up with this idea of buggy. We also wanted it to be environment friendly, so we started this battery operated um, carriers, buggies. And these buggies generally they have the capacity of carrying around 4 to 6 people at a time, which is also a fun ride for youngsters and kids. Also, these buggies help a lot for are a big help for pregnant women and women with toddlers, also handicapped people, and in general people enjoy riding these buggies a lot. I would like to ask Jasmine now to uh, discuss the financial aspects of these companies.
Thank you so much, Aarti. Okay, so coming over to the company's financials, we are definitely a profit company right now, and our total investment in this company for now is rupees 2 lakh, out of which we are running currently 4 buggies, in which 2 are for rented and 2 are our self-owned. So our expenses is actually for the self-owned only the driver cost and the maintenance, which comes up to around 10,000 per month. And the rented expenses are actually only the 25,000 per month. That is the rented one. So our income right now is 1,50,000 per month. How do we arrive at this is we actually charge in hospitals, we are on a rented basis. So for every trip that we do, we charge 20 rupees each from every person. Usually, as Aarti had told, we ride 4 to 6 riders are there at a time. So in a day, we do at least 60 to 70 trips, and that includes the hospital rented one, which is done usually in the visiting hours and also in the apartment whole day. For the apartment, we do not charge anything, but we have a contract with our apartment people who give us the income. So the total net income comes to 80,000 per month. Now coming over to what are our expansion plans. So that is since this is a very future segment and it is a very bright segment, that is why we plan to expand our business by double. That is right now we are having 4 buggies and we plan to invest on more for 4 buggies. And we also have contract terms going on with a resort who has asked us to give 2 buggies since they want it for their whole resort. And 2 more buggies we plan to have it for a school. So the funding total required is rupees 4 lakh. Coming over to our return policy. So our gross income, which is right now is 1,50,000 per month. Since we are planning to expand 4 more buggies, our gross income will become 3 lakh, but the expenses will only increase by 20,000 per month because we will save on the 50,000 of the rent. So our expenses totally will increase only 20,000, and including everything, our net income, which was 80,000 per month for 4 buggies, will now become 2,20,000 with 8 buggies. So our return policy would be that we will return the 4 lakh within this financial year because we plan to return 50,000 per month. Coming over to our business policy, we not only care for the riders of elders or for fun, we are actually a combination of fun and care to all the people. That is our business policy. Secondly, we also see the environment, whether we are environment friendly. So it is a buggy which is battery operated, pollution which is a real concern these days, and the times are fast changing also. So in the coming years, we all can see that the cars which are on the streets can be replaced by these kind of stylish buggies. So we keep in note both the pollution, and that is why we are battery operated, and also these stylish ones. So we are looking forward to all of you for your cooperation, dear funders, and kindly, this is our contact numbers. We look forward, please take away our numbers, and thank you for all the help and cooperation that you have given us. Thank you.
Very nice, Jasmine and Aarti. Good effort, good plan, and nice innovative idea also, seeing the future and pollution level. So good. Now I would like to call team 2, team number 2.
So is team 2 ready?
Yes.
Aditi is there.
Aditi, Nipa, where are you?
Yeah, I am ready.
Okay.
Where's Aditi? Aditi?
Aditi is not there on the screen.
No, Aditi is here. Aditi, please unmute yourself.
Yes, so team 2, your time starts
6 minutes left.
now.
Good afternoon, respected investors and my dear friends. I am Nipa Mehta, co-director at Marudar Group of Rest Houses cum Restaurants. We have specialized ourselves in building rest houses cum restaurants on busy highways to cater to the ever-growing demands on these highways. In the state of Rajasthan. Before pitching in our business proposal, I would like to brief you about our group. We have started by building a rest house cum restaurant on Jaipur Highway in the year 2015. Further, we also added a rest house cum restaurant on Jodhpur Bikaner Highway in the year 2017. Dear investor, I would like here to note that our money has not gone in vain and we are making profit year on year on sequential basis, and our balance sheet is an indicator to this. We would also like you to share here that please go through our balance sheet, and as it can be seen that we have made a net income of rupees 27,25,000, which is approximately 19% on capital employed, and which is considered to be one of the best in this line of business. Our forte has been good quality of food, great hospitality at an affordable rate, on which we have made a strong customer base. To expand further, we have our research team, after a thorough research, have zeroed down on an area between Jaisalmer to Longewala Post. I now invite my co-director Simmi Bagaria to take you further from here. Thank you.
Thank you, Nipa. Now I would like to guide you further regarding our proposal. As you can see, there's a smooth highway running from Jaisalmer to Longewala Post, which is about 350 kilometers long. Next slide. People visiting Jaisalmer tend to visit these two places, as you can see in my slide, Longewala Post and Tanaut Mata Temple, which are tribute to Indian soldiers who fought in the 1971 war against Pakistan. So, as you can see, and there's not even a single, next slide, there's not even a single tea stall. Forget about a restaurant or a rest house. So, we tend to open up a rest house cum restaurant on this highway because of the following points. As you can see, the total land is barren. There's not even a single chain of restaurants over there. So we get a monopoly in that area. The lease of the land will be totally inexpensive, as the land we can get at a very low price. Next slide. Cheap labor can be obtained from the nearby villages, as the only income of people over there is camel riding and jeep safari. Next slide. We can procure easy raw materials from the nearby villages and dairy farms. Next. Tourism is expected to flourish as people were stuck in their houses because of pandemic. So we expect more footfall in the state of Rajasthan. So seeing up all the benefits, you can see in my chart, as I have made a chart for the investors, please have a look here. You can see the benefits over here. So seeing the benefits, we ensure you a proposal which is very beneficial. And we need a sum of rupees 50 lakhs to open up such a venture. Hope you like this. And dear investors, Padharo Mara Desh. Thank you. Now I would call upon my co-director Aditi to speak.
Thank you, Simi. Hello, friends. Our idea is based on startup business model of our respected Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji. We are focusing on chain of restaurant on a busy highway. Currently, we are running True Properties, which we have opened in 2015 and 2017, respectively. From our past projects, we have decided to open chain of restaurant in end of 2019, but due to we delayed. So now we are looking further. So now I invite investors to invest rupees 50 lakhs in our project. In return, we will offering them 20% stake in our company. So which they have given a net profit of rupees 27.25 lakhs for the financial period of 2019 to 2020. As per our business model, we assume an increased profit of 50% per year. Our company is a private limited company and we have all necessary documents and license. Only we have to procure those license which is required by the state where we are opening the restaurant. Our contact details are on your screen. So closing on a positive note, be safe, be healthy, and have good food. Thank you.
Dear investors, we hope this will not be money down the drain. Thank you.
Good job, Simi and team. Very detailed project and nice one. Really like the effort.
Thank you.
Now I would like to invite team 4.
Shall we start?
So are you ready?
Yes.
1 second. Huh? Yes. So your time starts now.
6 minutes left.
अच्छा, तो आप लोग 15 सितंबर फरवरी को आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, आप लोग आइए, मैं आप लोग का स्वागत करूंगी. अरे यार, कह तो दिया 15 तारीख को आने के लिए. अकेली मैं नन्ही से जान इस कोविड के समय में क्या क्या करूंगी. बेटी का नेग है, इवेंट वाले को कहाँ से अरेंज करूंगी. कोई तो मेरा हेल्प करो, कोई तो मेरा हेल्प करो.
अरे ममता, वेट, मायरा है ना.
अच्छा,
मायरा. हाँ.
ओ वाओ.
Good afternoon, friends and investors. Myra, a one-stop solution which gives us the quality of satisfaction with perfection in budget. It is a venture which was formed in 2019, and now we have a group of esteemed customers in our venture. We also have started with the collaboration of 3 women named Mamta Seksaria, Payal Goenka, and Rinku Saraugi. So what we do, we as a team, though not share the cost, but will share the burden of the customers. We will try to fulfill their needs, as it is always said, like a brother stands for a sister, so we will like to stand for our customers. What we promise to do, you plan and design a dream, we will make it true. You give us the moments and we will make it memorable for you by assigning and executing it in a mesmerizing way. We just only don't want to extend to our customers, but we also want to build a relationship with them. So here now comes our aim and motto. The aim is customer satisfaction is our priority, as we also want to cater a large number of customers in our day-to-day routine. And our motto is be the best, as we know that everyone wants the best. Our Indian economy largely depends on these social events. So getting the turnover is not a big deal in our venture. And our vision for the first year is to achieve a target of 1 crore, which is though small, but yet achievable. Now I would like to tell about us. We, as we have told you all, that it is a one-stop solution and we don't have to hunt here and there for our, and the customers don't have to hunt here and there for their needs. We provide them everything under one roof, be it because it is a one-stop solution for everyone. And we have our own in-house unit of laborers and craftsmen to deal with. Now you all may be wondering, why Myra? Because there are many event management firms which gives you a lot of services. So our main things, we deal in something special, which is destination parties or fitted customized dress. Be it any destination party, we provide you with personalized and customized dresses, because we all know that it is only a one-time wear. And it should also be pocket friendly to all the customers. Theme decor. You name the theme and we make sure to give you the best, as money is honey and it is not funny. And last but not the least, we also know, we know that food, it plays a very important part in any function. We have always seen that there are some troublesome guests in such type of functions, like some uncles and aunties. So when they eat, they say, it is very oily, it is not tasty, isme namak zyada hai. So for those health freak customers, we have our own in-house chefs which can prepare good and healthy food for them, and with proper taste. So now I would like to hand over the further plans to my partner Rinku Saraogi, who will explain to you all the details. Thank you.
Thank you, Payal. So now you have seen how we have, what are we and what we do and how we make every event memorable. Now I want to take you to the journey of our growth and goodwill. We got our first project in March 19, which was a holy party in our society, which was a great success. Our project was appreciated so much that through that we got more 22 events till November, ranging from anniversary party, get-togethers, birthdays, or any small parties, which was a big achievement for us. After this growth, we got our first ever project in November 19, which was a Diwali party in our friend's office. This was a great opportunity to showcase our work. We reached out to many people. This brought us more opportunity, and we got two weddings events in December 19. So you see how we have created a trust and goodwill to our customers. Not only that, at the end of 1 year in February 20, we got our 5 wedding projects. Though they were not of a big number, we catered from 200, 100 to 200 people. But now we were growing bigger and better. Our goodwill was growing more and more. Next. So now we aim to upscale our business. We want to take bigger events of 1 crore, but for that we need fund. We need a fund of 10 lakhs rupees. That first, we need more space to stock our raw materials. We need more space to stock our materials. Then we need more.
Time is up. Time is up. Time is up. Time is up. Time is up.
Leap.
She was
Rinku, your-
muted before 30 seconds.
No, it was 30 seconds.
She was.
Rinku, your time is up. Can
No
we,
worries. Beautiful project.
can we allow them to finish?
Yeah, let them finish it. No,
Let me finish. Please, Rinku, finish it up.
So this 10 lakhs rupees we need to allocate in space, for 30% in space, 40% in labor, 20% in our buying to stock our material, and 10% in marketing. According to the capital, according to our in the event industry is growing by 8% compared to other opportunities, other businesses. So there is a lot of scope in our business in future. We will be giving you 12% interest in this investment, which is much more than 6% which the bank provides. We have a great hope in growing in future. We are making a profit of 20% now, but down the line in 1 year, we will double our profit. So I hope we are quite optimistic about our business. We look forward to show your trust and faith in our business. We promise to pay your money in time and our interest annually. So this is some of our work we have done, like Bollywood party and beach party. So we will make your, if you think, and we will make your event memorable. Thank you. Hello, Mamta.
Very nice.
Is there anyone in the audience like Mamta? We are there. Myra is there to serve you, to make your event memorable. Thank you.
Very nice, Rinku and team. बहुत अच्छा.
Thank you.
Now comes team 5.
Team 5, are you ready?
Yes. Ishita, are you there? I can't see her. Yeah, you need to unmute.
Yeah.
So shall I go
Okay.
ahead? Your time starts. 1 second. Now.
6 minutes left.
Good afternoon, cafe members and my esteemed investors. I'm here to present my company, EcoPaco. EcoPaco is an eco-friendly solution for packaging of food. We are certified by WHO for the food grade packing. We are now catering to local restaurants and cloud kitchens. Before we start with this, I just want to share a short story, how I came into it. When I was a little girl, say class 2, we had a subject called environmental studies, where we learned that we should not litter. So I started a small drive in my school bus where I started collecting wrappers of biscuits and chocolates in my bag and would take home where my granny would say, "Arey, koi kachra ghar lata hai?" But my mom supported and gave me a separate garbage bag to collect the entire bus's wrappers and everything that was discarded normally outside the bus through the window. So that was my first initiative towards the environment. And I participated in a number of drives in the school. Later on, I joined a drive for no plastic. But wherever I went, there was only one question I had no answer to. What is the substitute? Several years later, here I am with my company, EcoPaco, to present a solution for everybody who says there's no substitute for plastic. Yes, there is a substitute for plastic. And I would request my co-founder, Ishita, who has the same passion as mine, to present the details of the products. Ishita, please take over.
Yeah, thank you, Kirti, for the lovely story. Good afternoon, everyone. I would now like to share my product details with you all. We deal in complete range of paper packaging products like bags, boxes, folding cartons, corrugated boxes, rigid boxes, and foil sealed boxes too. They are treated and coated and laminated with waxes, resins, and lacquered for proper functioning and protection. We use only craft paper, which are completely eco-friendly, biodegradable, waterproof, durable, highly resistant, keeps the food fresh and tastes good for a long time. And we use international standard quality paper, which gives a premium look for an upmarketing packaging. We can design and customize according to the needs and the requirements of our customers. Our packaging is very sturdy and yet lightweighted. It is micro-safe. It is marginally higher than the plastic bags and the products. It can be easily recycled, disposed, and decomposed at domestic and industrial level too. And our speciality in our boxes are that they are perforated, which can be transformed into plates or bowls, and which can be easily be used while driving. And we do not need any plates or bowls. Instead, we can use it, we can have in those bowls, and which are quite strong and sturdy. We have collaborated with Swiggy and Zomato, and we are looking forward for other corporate tie-ups too. Thank you. Kirti, you can continue and take them further then.
Yeah, here I am. I'll take you more inside the finances of the company. The company is 2 years old. It was started in 2018. And with 2 years, I'm happy to say that we have reached the turnover of 1 crore. We started with an investment of 50 lakhs. And here we are, where we are satisfied with our projected sales that we had for 2020. We are looking for investors for our backward integration. We would like to put an in-house machinery for cutting and molding the boxes and printing it according to the customer needs. The projected sale for 2022 is CR, and why I bank upon is just we are in tie-up with ITC and Reliance for all their food chains across all over India to provide them according to their specification and their standards of a food packaging solution.
1 minute left.
So for that, we need an in-house certification and a machinery to support that. We're looking forward to your investment. And here is what, here are my contacts. And this is our effort for a better environment. And together we can make her smile, our own earth. Thank you, everybody.
Very nice presentation, Kirti and Ishita, and user-friendly also. Good one. Now comes our team 1. Are you ready, team 1?
Yes.
Team 1, are you ready? Yes.
Yes.
Your time starts now.
6 minutes left.
Is Babita there? Babita? Can you just check whether Babita is audible or not?
Yeah, now I'm audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you re-time it, please, Bhavika?
Continue, Babita ji.
Yeah. Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you from Happy Feet. You had all the refreshments served to you? Now, let me introduce my team members and myself to you. I am Babita Jhunjhunwala, in charge of management, and this is Renuka Ladia, in charge of finance and policy formation, and my other team member, Pinky Kothari, in charge of research. Thank you for joining us today. So before we start, I would like to ask all of you, do you get worried about the whereabouts of your loved ones, your young children, your teenage children, your elderly parents, your even elder children, or maybe your parents are suffering from Alzheimer's or dementia? Well, you need not worry anymore because we have the perfect product for you, and this will relieve you of all your worries. But first, let me start by introducing my company to you. Who we are. We are a brand of shoes, and we started in 2015. We have our showroom in Kolkata in Quest Mall. What do? We started with outsourcing our shoes, and now we have started our in-manufacturing facilities also. We have footwear for all ages and all types of footwear, sports shoes, formal wear, school shoes, and we provide after-sales service also. Our vision: we believe in growth and innovation, which we are going to bring to you today, an absolutely new product. And we have also gone online. We have collaborated with Flipkart, Amazon, Agio, and Myntra. And we are vocal for local. So we employ only the local workers in our factory. Now over to Renuka for the rest of the presentation.
Thank you, Babita. Our motto is to satisfy our customers and be real to them. Transparency is the policy we follow. Happy Feet is concerned with comfort and promise to give their customers what they want. We offer loyalty programs to our customers in which we give loyalty points on every purchase. We offer gift cards and voice for the slogan, "Your special days are our special days," and give discounts on special occasions like birthday and anniversary. We give an added advantage to Happy Feet by giving it a new wing called Talking Feet. And we work on innovative ideas that challenge the existing market. We are constantly online, advertising, innovating, adding new ideas, improving, expanding, and bringing a very new and unique product. We are about to set an example in innovation as the idea is most unique and unexplored, which will create a wave in the footwear market. Now we will look at the financial side of our company. Our company has a turnover of 12 crores, and we are currently having a profit of 30%. And we target an increase of 10% by adding a new wing to our Happy Feet. Our additional profit will be 10%. We are looking for 2 crores of investment from our investors to start our new wing. You can have a look at the product range of our product. Slide. Yes, friends, the wait is over. Our wing, the Happy Feet, is here with a new avenue, Talking Feet. I will hand over to Pinky to give you more details. Thank you.
Thank you, Renuka. Finally, I'm going to break the ice by introducing our innovative range of footwear. This year, we were looking for the comfort of our customer with the changing trends and fashion. But now we have explored a different aspect, that is safety. Yes, safety is our priority. Keeping in mind of this safety, we are introducing for the first time GPS smart tracking sole, smart sole, with which you can track your loved ones, children's, young teenage girls, young adults who are going for work, and also especially the elders who are suffering from dementia or Alzheimer. You can track them easily. Trust me, this device, tracking device, will make your life easier. Let me tell you how does it work. This is a GPS smart sole, which is the thinnest sole which will be hidden on between these two soles. It is easily water resistant, and you are all aware of the GPS smart tracking system which is used in Ola and Uber. It works the same. It is easy traceable, easy to navigate, So now let me tell you about the product cost. Yes, it is this tracking system device we are getting at a cost of 5,000, which we are working. And so I am pitching for the investment of 200 crores from our 2 crores from our investor, and for which we are offering a stake of 5% in our company. So investors, get ready, because it is going to boom the market, and safety and comfort is our priority. Babita, can you please wrap it up?
Thank you, Renuka and Pinky. And so investors, thank you for your patience and time. And we hope to have a positive response from you in the very near future. And in case you need any clarification, you can contact us in the contact number and email ID given. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very, very nice presentations. All of you have done a great job. So now rest of the thing, Nidhi will tell you. Nidhi, are you ready?
Thank you so much, Madam Moderators. So I'm so thrilled and happy and excited that everybody, let me just give an overview of the entire session. I'm so excited to see that everybody spoke like a pro and they were confident speaking on this podium. So that gives me immense pleasure. So first of all, clap for all of you. Great work done. Now, starting with team 3, futuristic care rider. Okay, so I really like the way you started with bringing the example of elderly people. Now that was good thinking in your part. Nice presentation. You had a very good presentation, and let me just tell you all, a good presentation needs a lighter background. It is always advisable that your presentation should have a lighter background, because it is easy to read. Now it depends upon you. Of course, I'm not limiting anybody, but in our MBA days and in our graphic days also, so it was advisable. Even Apple uses white background. It is catchy. The sentences are catchier in a lighter background. So kudos to that. The way you spoke about your finance, it was a very confident approach. It showed that you really believed in what you are selling, and explanation was done meticulously, and the pollution part was brought again as a way of pitching your product in a very nice way. So, but the nicer things are not always constant. What is constant is the change. So if you could have started a magnificent start, like a hook, then I think the start was a little loose. Then I think everybody would have hooked to your presentation. I will tell you that if for any kind of corporate or organization pitch, kindly have aim, vision, and mission. That is very important, or at least have that what your company visions or aims at. So that was missing. And one more thing I would say with your presentation, that you asked for 4 buggies. I mean, that was not a higher scale vision. You could have asked for you could have asked for a series of buggies. You could have as in you could have asked for a new way of transportation for public buggy. So that would have really strengthened the investor. Otherwise, it was looking a little loose, like 4 buggies. You're getting my point. But the thought was very good, and the way you presented with so much confidence was absolutely phenomenal. Kudos, guys, and keep speaking like this. We will for sure someday have buggies seen around the road. Okay, on that note, let me come to team 2, Marudhar. Now, Marudhar, first and foremost, you guys were properly dressed. I was in awe. Okay, this was the presentation I was looking for, as in for you all as well. You were properly dressed. which company shows their balance sheet, but you were all light and showed your balance sheet in a very diligent way, and you make sure to touch the heart by talking about that Longewala post about soldiers and all. So I must say that all three of you had a very free flow of speaking. That was done beautifully. Kudos. Now, I was not happy with the structure. Somehow I felt that Simi should begin, whatever her part was, that should be the first thing. See, why your product is good. First, you have to show the need of the product, and you showed the need of the product towards the body. So by the time investors bye-bye chale gaye. My point is, you first show that barren land, then show about the Longewala post, and then probably somehow I feel the structure was not did in a nice, not did in a what should I say, understandable fashion. And again, Aditi, what she was saying, it was not in sync with the one of the slide. The slide had finance part and that got stuck, and Aditi was keep on saying about something else. So it had a little non-sync thing. So my advice with the kind of you all speak, just practice more and try to rethink that if you are on the investor side, will you buy your product? And another one more thing I have to say on that note, that there was not a not any kind of giveaway for investor. You showed a pie chart, but it was a little abrupt. I wanted facts and figures, but it was a little abrupt. So what a investor will
No, we showed facts and figures. We had shown in our balance sheet
Yes,
also
yes,
facts and
yes,
figures,
but not in the
and
pie
then we
chart.
had shown in the pie chart was not facts and figures. Pie chart was to just to show that these are the points for which we are asking you to invest so that we can build up a high.
Exactly my point. See, any if you're using a pie chart, it means a fact and figure tool. All right. Without facts and figures, you cannot. What will you put in the pie? All right.
Nidhi, the pie chart proportion was showing there in the pie chart. The proportions were
Exactly,
divided.
I was in that proportion. See?
Please,
And
no
I will
cross.
explain you things
Yeah,
in
no
detail.
cross examination, please. Let the evaluator only speak.
Okay, I will explain you things in detail, Simi, once things get over. But great work done. I really like the idea, and I really like that you really concerned. But the only major factor was the structure allocation. Otherwise, great work done. Okay, coming back to Myra. Oh my God, Myra, guys, the seeing your screen, I was like gone. They have taken it because you have used your full source for by changing the background, by having your logo in a very beautiful fashion, and what a beginning. Mamtaji, I must tell you, you all worked as a team, that everyone knew that whose good qualities are where and who can speak like a pro in which section of the portion of the speech. So and Payal, I love the sprinkle of humor you had with money and funny, and you spoke nicely. You had this innovative style of incorporating the events and the things which you showed, that what something nice, what is that USP you are going to give us. So USP is the unique selling proposition, which should be told by all the organization, that why we should fund you. So that was shown very nicely. The problem arose when you took over. Now, Rinku ji, I love the way you spoke. You spoke about the journey, and that was with a gleam in your eye, and that was shown that you loved your organization. That was done very nicely. Well, somehow I feel a little time was wasted while taking over from Payal ji and to Rinku ji, and that is where we missed your entire speech, but again, life is like this. It is unfair, and so we have to deal it. Rinku ji, I have to tell you one thing, that as an investor, you should know your priorities. We should that slide which was coming later, later on, about the investing thing, you should have said all those things first. When you saw that the time is limited, you should have at least told me that how much to end it first, and then probably about your journey. How you could have ended it like, our journey is big enough, please contact us to know the details. That would have sufficed everything, because the presentation was superb. I love the way you used your background. I love the way you guys are synchronized, and it was different. And even the end was very good, because you made sure to have an audience interaction at the end of saying that there must be many Mamtaji who want event, but Myra is there. So that was done in a very beautiful way. But time and tide waits for none. And Payal, I have to tell you that your eye contact was a very big problem. So you were looking here and there, and that was not connecting with us. But I really liked the entire presentation, but time, what to say. Anyways, going ahead, we had our next team 3. I must say that this was a very confident start. I really liked KTG starting with so much confidence, and she has evolved over the time. I can see that. And incorporation of story after you start. Now this was the thing which I was required, you see, the moment she started, she had a screen, she had her product, she had her logo. Now then she came with her story. Now this is also a brilliant start to begin with, and I loved the best takeover from each other was by this group. They made sure to speak their lines in a very meticulous way. Your financial description was done in such a easy fashion that even non-investors could know that, okay, you meant this. What I will advise you would be, there were times Ishita was talking about the products, the content about your product was excellent. So why not there was slides based on that? Because there was this one slide which was hooked for quite a long time. Okay, so if you have content, you please have slide as well. Otherwise, great work done. And also one more thing I would like to ask you all to incorporate is, what is the investor takeaway? That was not the highlight part, even if I've missed it. So other than that, I love the way you presented your biodegradable products. You had everything required for presentation. Good job done. All right. Just a second. Oh my God. I'm sorry, my kid is woken up. Okay, team 1, happy feet. And I was so happy. By the way, you all just started with your product. Babita, you started with a smile, and that smile is so endearing. I can't even begin to tell you. I think you had the perfect show of your USP. That was I'm talking about, that why your company, why Happy Feet. You made sure to talk about that. I'm so sorry. You explained the usages of technology in a very nice manner, that how this will help us and protect us if at all any malicious things happen. So you had a very good USP with your presentation. You made sure to explain that an investor can benefit a lot here. So that was also done in a super way. And Pinky ji, you used a prop to explain things. Now that was the key, and again a very good hook for the audience. So kudos, guys. Your Happy Feet was did a good job, but again, however, there's always scope for improvement.
Nidhi, no buts, please.
In a presentation,
For once, no buts, please.
don't use a dark background. All right. So the logo which you were using of Feeds, it was more of a spa. You know, the first look was giving more of a spa look. So just try. बोलते हैं ना, दिखता है वही बिकता है. So what you see is what you get. So try and have things like that will be very much easily saleable. And again, there was vision mission missed in an corporate presentation. We should have vision mission as that what your company is all about. And otherwise, great work done. I would just say that try to have a clear presentation from next time. Otherwise, super work done, and the way you used your USP to sell the product, I might invest. On that note, over to you, Manisha ji.
Awesome presentation, awesome evaluation. ऐसा लग रहा है बिल्कुल हम लोग इन्वेस्टर्स मीटिंग में बैठे हैं, अलग अलग लोग अपने अपने प्रोडक्ट्स दिखा रहे हैं और हम सब अपने अपने समिट में बैठे अपना अपना चूज करने के लिए. Very nice work you have done. Awesome. So Saroji, tell us, how did you like our session? Unmute yourself, Saroji. You have to unmute yourself.
Yeah. So I felt that I was watching a series of Shark Tank. वो एक show आता है जिसमें people try to sell their things to investors, and it was such a beautiful presentation. Great effort from all the participants, and I actually loved watching this. I got so impressed by the promotions कि I called up Kavita कि मेरे को आज आना है इसमें देखने के लिए. So it was actually very
सरोज जी, आप
interesting.
किसमें इन्वेस्ट करोगे? कौन से में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो?
सुनो, अभी तो फिलहाल ट्रैकिंग की ज्यादा जरूरत है, बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं. So I'll invest in shoes.
नहीं, चीटिंग है, आप अपने पार्टनर को नहीं सपोर्ट कर सकते हो.
नहीं, it's not about my partner.
नहीं, पार्टनर को सपोर्ट नहीं कर सकते हो. No, she can do.
Actually, I don't even remember.
सरोज जी, अभी तो बच्चे बड़े हो गए तो शादी करना है ना, तो हम लोग को याद कर लीजिएगा.
नहीं, we have designer shoes also. Party wear shoes भी है.
नहीं, एक्चुअली बच्चों की शादी करनी है, इसीलिए ट्रैकिंग रखनी है कि भाई लव मैरिज करनी है कि अरेंज करनी है.
फंक्शन शो करना ही पड़ेगा ना.
एक्चुअली बट वंडरफुल प्रेजेंटेशन.
कांटेक्ट करेंगे, हम लोग का ड्रेस करके तुम्हारा शूज लगेगा ना.
ओके, डन.
कोलैबोरेशन
भी हो गया. अरे इनफैक्ट सारा लिंक अप ही है.
पैकेजिंग, शूज, इवेंट वाले सारे आपस में
क्लब बग्गी भी यूज कर लेंगे ना, उधर यूज हो जाएगा. बग्गी भी यूज हो जाएगी. और ये बायोडिग्रेडेबल और उधर रखेंगे, इन लोग के रेस्ट हाउस में रखेंगे, रेस्टोरेंट.
मैरिज के लिए रेस्ट हाउस.
नहीं, दूल्हा दुल्हन को बग्गी में लेके आएंगे हम लोग.
सुनो, हम अपना वेडिंग प्लानर कैफे को ही बना देंगे.
कोलैब हो गया ये तो.
रूम में हम लोग सब नाश्ता भेजेंगे तो उन लोग का पैकिंग चाहिएगा ना हम लोग.
एब्सोल्युटली.
सब कुछ रेडी है, एक पूरा इवेंट रेडी है अपने पास.
सुनो, सब कुछ रेडी है, बस दूल्हा या दुल्हन नहीं है.
आप लोग सब
पकड़ के ले आओ.
हाँ, किसी के पास वो हो तो दे सकते हो. But wonderful presentation, and it was lovely to be a part of this. I really enjoyed.
They have done very professionally.
Absolutely. I actually felt that I was watching Shark Tank.
Yeah, I do also watch.
Yeah, wonderful it was.
So, Kavita, over to you.
So, what to say? Very nice presentations. I was not expecting, this elaborate presentations by every team. So be it the event one or the buggy one or the biodegradable one or the shoe one, and last but not the least, which one I left?
restaurant
The rest
house
house,
cum
yeah,
restaurant.
the rest house cum restaurant. So each presentation was really, really nice. As speakers also, I saw some of you very confident, as if, you know, you can go to a boardroom and start giving presentation. So excellent presentations and excellent speaking by team members. There was little coordination issue in some of the teams, you know, while handling the presentation and the speeches. But otherwise, overall, very, very nice presentation. Hats off to everybody, despite not being from corporate backgrounds. You all carried it off really well, really, really well. Very nice. Thank you so much for putting in so much efforts.
So we are ending this session here only. Result will be announced in the group. And one more thing for next week, any one person who can represent your team and contact us for the further detail or discussion, whatever needed, anyone from 3 of you. You can choose and they can contact me if they want some detail or some information about the project coming week.
What we have to do next week exactly, Manisha? करना क्या है?
फोन करके पता करो.
वो मैंने असाइन किया है आपको. कुछ कंफ्यूजन है तो जस्ट टॉक